If you're planning to start a business in Hawaii, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in Hawaii, even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether you should file it yourself or use a formation service like LegalZoom to make the entire process hassle-free. We'll cover all of that later in this video, so let's get started. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or Limited Liability Company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. Forming an LLC is an important step if you want to protect yourself and grow a legitimate business, especially if you are serious about starting a business in Hawaii. It provides legal protection, tax advantages, and long-term stability, making it one of the smartest ways to start up. First, you need a unique name for your LLC. Keep it simple, memorable, and easy to spell. Now, to check the name of your desired LLC and its availability, all you have to do is very simple. Go to the Hawaii Department of Commerce and Consumer Affairs, or DCCA, Business Name Search. Here, type your desired business name. If no results appear, congratulations, it's available and ready to go. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Hawaii law requires every LLC to have a registered agent. This could be a person, or maybe a company, or an agency that receives legal documents on behalf of your business. Now, your registered agent must have a physical street address in Hawaii, or if you want, you can either hire a professional service, or if you want, you can serve as your own agent, provided that you live in Hawaii and meet the state requirements. Now it's time to officially create your LLC by filing the Articles of Organization to the Hawaii Business Registration Division. Here you need to complete the submission form of LLC 1, providing the LLC name, registered agent details, mailing address, principal office address, and again, you can file online or via mail, and the filing fee is around $50. Once approved, your LLC is officially formed. Although Hawaii doesn't require an operating agreement, it's highly recommended because, for one, it shows how your LLC will be managed, ownership percentage, and member responsibilities. Now, in return, it helps prevent any conflicts and adds credibility for banks or investors. Next is we need to get an EIN, or Employer Identification Number, through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. Next is to register for state taxes and licenses. One of the requirements is getting a general excise tax, or GET. Basically, this is a tax imposed on all business activities in Hawaii, not just sales to consumers, unlike a typical sales tax, which is charged only to the end consumer. Now, all I have to do is very simple. Go to the Hawaii Department of Taxation, and you'll have a $20 fee. The statewide GET rate is 4%, with an additional 0.5% surcharge, making it 4.5% in Oahu, and this applies to most business activities. Now, you have to register for any other specific taxes, such as the transient accommodations tax, if relevant to your business operations. Now, you can also go to the Hawaii Business Action Center to check for any required professional or local permits and licenses. Now, to keep your Hawaii LLC in good standing, you need to follow all these steps so that your LLC stays compliant and protected. I know it's not easy. That's why, you see, traditional filing, while it's cost effective, it really is time consuming, full of paperwork, and can be really stressful. Now, hiring a registered agent is more efficient, yes, but it can get expensive. Now, what if I told you there is a better solution using a formation service called LegalZoom? LegalZoom is an online legal service company that helps people form businesses and handle other legal paperwork without having to hire an attorney or a registered agent. They guide you through these steps to create a corporation, nonprofit, especially LLC, and other business entities in any state in the US, including Hawaii. The good news is, if you haven't signed up with LegalZoom yet and want to support our channel, you can use our affiliate link in the video description, which will forward you to a new page. If you want to do the work yourself, you can go to the basic plan, but it's kind of limited. And if you wanted to have more options, you can go and upgrade to the Pro plan, which gives you all these perks and benefits. But to unlock all the tools and features, you might want to go to the premium plan. Whichever plan you wanted to go to, remember you can use our affiliate link, which is in the video description. You will be forwarded to a new page, and from here, just enter your desired business name. If you don't want that, you can skip and decide later. Then you need to select the state, and in this case, that's gonna be Hawaii. Now, if you want to provide your business email address or phone number, you can do so. You can also skip that. And of course, you need to select the industry. In our case, we are going to choose affiliate marketing, and remember, use our affiliate marketing links in the video description to get started with LegalZoom. There are a lot of information involved, but do not be overwhelmed because LegalZoom is here to help you out. Okay, so if you wanted to have a personalized notifications, fast and easy filings, peace of mind, you can do so. You can select a plan, but for now, we're gonna click the no thanks. These are added services. Now, as you may notice, you can save time and money on essential documents by having all these. If you're not sure and decided yet, do not be afraid to click the no thanks. Now, when you form an LLC, it's also a wise decision opening a separate business bank account because it protects you legally, simplifies finances, and helps your LLC grow professionally. Now, you can choose from any of the following. You can choose Mercury or Bank of America. But if you don't want it for now, click the no thanks button, and you have more information around here. Now, if time is of the essence and you wanted to get your business going already, you might want to go to the one-day expedited processing along with the founder's kit. But if you don't want that, click the no thanks and click the next button, which will forward you to a new page. As you can see, using LegalZoom is very straightforward, a hassle-free experience, and hands down the easiest way to go. And that's exactly how to register an LLC in Hawaii. Forming an LLC not only gives your business credibility, but also protects your personal assets and sets you up for long-term success. But if you want a truly hassle-free experience, using LegalZoom is hands down the easiest way to go. They guide you through every step, handle the paperwork, and make you sure your LLC is set up correctly so you can focus on growing your business instead of worrying about filings. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.